Hey everyone! Ever feel like you're running on empty? Today, I'm gonna share how to supercharge your life with endless energy. Yes, you heard that right. First up, let's talk about movement. Getting active is crucial. Whether it's a morning jog, a little yoga, or a full-on gym session, moving your body kickstarts your energy levels. You don't need to be a fitness guru, just find what works for you. Next, let's dive into nutrition. Ever notice how sluggish you feel after a heavy meal? That's because what you eat has a direct impact on your energy. Incorporate more fruits, veggies, and lean proteins into your diet. And stay hydrated, folks. Water is your best friend. Now, let's talk about sleep. It's the foundation of your energy. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep. Create a bedtime routine, keep your room cool, and avoid screens before bed. Trust me, your body and mind will thank you. Don't forget about mindfulness. Practicing meditation or deep breathing can do wonders. Take a few minutes each day to clear your mind and focus on your breathing. It's a game changer. And finally, connect with others. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Human connections and laughter are powerful energy boosters. So, to recap, get moving, eat well, sleep right, stay mindful, and connect with others. Implement these steps, and you'll feel more energized than ever. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the energy. Thanks for watching, and stay energized.